All the time going in school, going outside, going in public, I would imagine so many scenarios of me saying this perfectly, having W Riz, doing this and this, but as soon as I would actually be put in that situation where I could do something, I wouldn't have the confidence to do it. I was so confident and excited thinking about it in my head, and yeah, I'll actually do this and improve my life and make a change. But as soon as I had the opportunity presented to me, I could not do it for the life of me. Now, I just want to warn you before I list the 7 ways to be way more confident, you will leave this video a different person. So, the first way to be way more confident is to not overthink it. Just don't even think about it. Whether it's not even cold approaching someone, talking to someone new, it's literally just taking a cold shower, doing this, filming a video right now, listening to something. Don't even think about it, because the more you think about it, thinking about, oh, what if this happens? What if that happens? The less you're able to do. If you just do it, you're able to get a lot more done in your life. And as soon as you do that thing, you're like, wow, I just did that. I just talked to this one person. I just took a cold shower. You feel a lot better about yourself when you constantly don't overthink. Just make a decision and stick to it. It doesn't even have to be the right situation. Like if you don't want to talk to this one person, if you don't want to do this, as long as you just stick to what you said, stick to, okay, I'm going to actually talk to 5 people today. I'm going to talk to this one girl. If you actually do it and you don't overthink it, you'll see a lot more results. The second way to be so much more confident is to care about important things. When I would always be in school, I'd always be in like literally any public situation. I'd always overthink like the last thing. I'd overthink so many things that I would do. And as a result, I cared about little things that did not even matter. I would care about the way I'm walking, the way I'm standing. Should I put my hands in my pockets? Should I have good posture? Should I do this and this? I overthought and cared about all the little things that were going on in that situation. And when you care about more important things like your health, your wealth, and your relationships, that's when all those little things, all those little stutters and mishaps and accidentally doing this, not doing this 100% perfectly, it all doesn't matter because you actually care about more important things. If you want to stop caring about what this person thinks, stop thinking about this and this, what this person is going to say, care about more important things. Because when you do that, when you literally need food, when you're in a life or death situation, you're not going to care about how you're walking. You're not going to care about how your hair looks, how your face looks. You're literally trying to survive, and you're caring about the only things that are actually important. You're not caring about what this one person thinks about you, because like literally all of those little things, all those things that you think are crazy big deals, they're really not. Just think about how easier your life would be if you just didn't care about this one thing, didn't care that much about this math homework, didn't care that much about talking to this one person, doing this one thing, taking a cold shower. You're actually more likely to do it. You're more likely to not care about it. And as a result, you don't overthink it. And as a result, you just do it. You make a choice whether you actually want to do it or not. If you do it, you do it. If you don't, you don't. The third way to get so much more confidence is to actually see some results. See some results when you're in the gym, working out, talking to this one person. See yourself develop socially, mentally, physically. Of course, you're going to be more confident if you are more ripped and you look better and you perceive yourself better. So start doing that. Start working out. Start doing the things you know are right, which you've been putting off for some reason. That you keep watching videos, video after video after video, not really doing anything. So make that a change right now. Start getting more successful and start putting yourself out there in more comfortable situations. And when you do that first thing that might be uncomfortable, all those other times you won't feel as uncomfortable and it'll be more appealing to you. And when it's more appealing to you, you're more confident to do it. The fourth thing you need to do, which will skyrocket your confidence no matter what stage you are, is get a small win. Get a small win of saying hi to someone. Get a small win of going in the cold shower for 2 seconds. Get a small win of working out for 5 seconds and doing 5 push-ups. These small wins will lead to major W's later on in the future. Because how do you expect to make this cold approach, do this or this, when you can't even make the first step of just walking to it, thinking to the idea to talk to her, or saying hi to this one person, turning on the cold water? How are you going to do those big things that are so important in your life when you can't even do that small thing of turning on the water? Break it down into little steps that break it down into little steps and you'll actually, it won't be as hard. It won't seem as difficult, won't seem as challenging, and it'll see more doable. And when you start doing those, when you start knocking off, ticking off everything that you set out to do, you will get more confidence. The fifth thing you need to do to get so much more confident is to keep your word, keep your promises, keep your word when you said that you're going to take a cold shower, that you're going to watch this video to the end, that you're going to learn something, that you're going to talk to this one person. Keep your word when you said that. Because every time you break your promise, every time you go against with what you said, you lose a lot of respect for you. And when you don't have respect for yourself, you feel less confident. I want you to right now say that you'll implement these other 4 habits that I've been talking about, to actually know that you'll keep your word. And when you keep your word, when you do the thing, you'll get more confidence. When you say that you'll wake up at 5 a.m. and you wake up at 5 a.m. When you say you'll go outside in the morning, you'll go outside in the morning. When you say you do your homework, you do your homework. You feel a lot better about yourself. And as a result, you're more happier. You're more confident. The 6th way to be way more confident, which a lot of people don't even realize, is having better sleep and having a good diet. A lot of people don't realize that sleeping literally takes up almost half their day, and their diet literally can change whether they have a good day or not. Those 2 things can control your life so much more than you realize. So of course you're not going to be as confident if you had a poor diet and you didn't sleep as well. And of course you're going to be a lot more confident if you feel energized, you feel ready to take on the day because you slept well, because you ate well. Because you are what you eat, and the things you eat and the things you do, the lifestyle choices, do define whether you have good sleep and a bad diet, or a good diet and bad sleep, whatever. Your lifestyle choices will reflect on your sleep and diet, and then that will make sure if you're confident or not. So if you want to have more confidence, have a good lifestyle. So when that good lifestyle comes, you'll have better sleep and diet, and then boom, you're more confident. You do all the things you want. Good job, yay. The 7th and final thing that you need to do to be more confident is to surround yourself with like-minded people. Because I get so much more confidence when you're around with the boys, you're all having a great time, you're all doing this and this. It feels amazing, honestly, which is why you should join my free Discord community in the description, because I'll be in there, all of us will be in there, and we'll be helping you not be like all of them who aren't confident, don't know what to do with their life, just can't do anything, and we'll help you get to that next step. So join that Discord community and we can all be confident together and all achieve the things that we want. Because we want to live a good life. We want to have the cool money, cool success, fame, have a nice family, do this and this. But we can't do those things if we're not confident. So have the confidence to join a Discord community and say hi, and you're immediately leveling up so much more than everyone else. Everyone else who already clicked off this video in the first 30 seconds. So if you found this video helpful or interesting, you probably found the right channel. Click and watch this video right here. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more beneficial videos like these to try to help you improve your life every single day. Hope you found this video helpful. I liked making it. And yeah, be more confident. This just leveled up my confidence to talking to you right now. Peace.